Hello guys, this is Narayan Guha and you're again welcome to my YouTube channel Narayan Guha, and today I am to teach about Jcreator Pro software. So move on to my desktop. So let's start. Guys, so interested to watch my this current video, please stay live on to my YouTube. Let's move to my desktop. Now we can see my desktop screen. So today we'll learn about Jcreator Pro software. So some theoretical aspects about my teachings. So now how we can multiply two numbers, multiplication of two numbers, how we can apply multiplication of two numbers. So first of all we click at Jcreator Pro software. Okay. Okay guys, Jcreator Pro software. Now we are comfortable to see my desktop. Okay. Okay guys, I'm comfortable to see my desktop. Okay. Now use this pop-up menu, file, going to file, new, create a file. So we give the name of class X, class CLASS, class capital E class X. Okay, and then location to derive, file type class X. Okay, click on finish. Okay, file the name of C type class X, it was already X1 replaced. Okay, yes. Okay, class ex.java. Okay, now multiplication of two numbers. How can we do multiplication of two numbers in Jcreator Pro software? Okay, so type here class X small, CLA says class EX, class EX. Okay, class EX. And okay, third bracket. Okay, and public static void main, public static public, this will be on small letter. Okay. Public static big static void main, public static void main, open the first bracket, string 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 my computer in hangs and sorry and again my computer hangs. Sorry guys. Save. Create a prospector. File. Create a new file. Yeah. Plus ex plus ex.java. Okay. Class ex plus ex second bracket enter public static void main public static void main. Okay, and close for and string string stuck again here we stuck again this point. Oh shit, bullshit, what is happening now? Bullshit. Yeah, got it. String enter string my name Narayan, string Narayan and string Narayan, string the capital see the color changes. String Narayan. Now third bracket. Okay. Enter. Open a second bracket. Enter. Integer a equal to 5. Okay. First number. Enter. Integer b equal to 4. Semicolon. Enter. Integer c semicolon. Enter. C equal to a multiplication b semicolon and then so system is system dot is in caps system put dot out dot println okay. System dot out of println okay. System dot println system auto print the multiplication. The multiplication multiplication sign plus C. Okay. Semicolon, second bracket closed. Okay. Program completed. Now click on compile file. Compile file, active Java open. Here you can see process complete. Okay. Configuration here. Both side process complete. Okay. Then I will click on executive file. Okay. Yeah. See that. So what is the first number? 5. Second number 4. Multiplication A into B. 5 into 4 20. Maximize this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Now 20. See, the multiplication equal 20. Press any key. Okay, close. So this is class x.java. This is a program in Jcreator Pro software. Class x, second bracket, public static void main, first bracket, string any name, my name Narayan or ARG, third bracket closed, then second bracket, integer int a equals to 5, semicolon, enter int b equals to 4, enter int integer c, semicolon, then c equal to a into b, multiplication sign, then system dot out dot println, in comma, in double comma, the multiplication equal to plus c, semicolon, the second bracket, process complete, yes, multiplication. Again I am showing this. I click on compile file. So process completed. Again it is shown in the lower side. The lower side in the lower side, please so see this process completed. Okay. Then executive file is multiplication. The multiplication will be this ESC file. That's shown. What is the first number? 5. Second number 4. 5 into 4 20. Okay. Run this on your desktop. So this is a program in Jcreator Pro software. Okay, guys. So let's see. You have completed addition, multiplication. Now you have to complete division of two numbers. Okay. File new. Again, we create a file. File name plus capital E. Location C drive file name plus finish. Again, enter. Select the chat. Create. Okay. Again, we create a new file. We close this. Okay. Class x plus CLASSEX file name class ex, location C drive, click on finish. Yes. Okay. Class ex.java created. See that class ex.java. Okay. Now how can I divide two numbers? So this is division of two numbers. Okay. It's practical. CLASS plus capital E X, then second bracket, enter. Public static void main. Public static void close bracket, string ARG, string ARG on any name, Narayan, Kamalesh, any name. Okay, third bracket, then semicolon, then a second bracket here, enter. So integer equals to 40. Integer equals to 40. Simple. Enter. Integer integer b equals to 2. B is to semicolon. Enter. Integer semicolon. Now the actual case is c equals to a by b. See that? C equals to a by b. Okay. Semicolon equals to a by b. Okay. Then enter. What? System dot out by default this comes print system dot print. Okay. Under comma t caps. Then division division comma plus c. Okay. Check this. Double second bracket close. Okay. Now we have completed the program. Now we compile. We click on compile file on the taskbar. See, something happened in description. Missing method body or declare abstract class. Yes, is line 3. Something mistaken. Line 3. Yeah. Missing method body or declare abstract string. I have to use this. Okay. Now again compile file. See, process completed. See, for this mistake it is not showing process completion different process complete. Okay. Now we click on execute file. Okay. The division equals to 20. Press any key one. See guys, here first number 40, second number 2. 40 division by 2, 40 divided by 2. What will be the result? 20. So, isn't it awesome? Okay. Division equals to 20. See that guys. 40 divided by 2, 20. Division equals to 20. exe file, press any key to continue. So this is the program. Okay. So we learn about multiplication and division. We have to create file new, then new file class es.java C drive file name, then we can finish, then created class es.java class ex under second bracket publish void main file bracket strings s capital arg any name, my name Narayan Guha, and third bracket close, no semicolon, then second bracket integer equals to 40. First number is 40. Integer b equals to 2. Then integer c semicolon c equal to a by b. Okay, system by output division. Okay. Again I click on compile file. Process completed. Again I click on executive file. Division equals to 20. The result equals to 20. Press enter key to it. So I maximize this. See completed. Division equals to 20. Okay. I move this file here. This exe file. Okay guys. Here. So move on to this topic. We have to learn more things in our lives. Okay. So this is small things. So just close this file. Okay. All of you learn about this addition, multiplication, subtraction. Now comes theory. Okay. Word file. Word 7. So what is the characteristics? First question is what is the characteristics? What is the characteristics? What is the characteristics of object oriented program? Guys, object oriented. I think for your advantage, I just keep the size to 48. Now you can see comfortable. Okay. Question 1. What is the characteristics? What is the characteristics of object oriented program? Okay. What is the characteristics of object oriented program? Okay. Now note down. First one is class. First one is class. So class is the central point of WPS. Class is the central point of So class is the central point. Here blinks the cursor. Okay. Class is the central point of and that contains, this is theoretical, okay, that contains, after practical it is theoretical, and that contains data and method. So class, scroll up, then what is the characteristics of object oriented program? Okay. First one is, what is the characteristics of object oriented program? Okay. So under object oriented program comes class. Class is the central point of OOPS. Okay. Object oriented programming system, full form, and that contains data and method. Okay. In Java, everything happens within class. In Java, everything happens within class. And it describes a set of objects. Describes a set of objects with common behavior. an identity where common behavior. Class is a central point of central point of, and that contains data and memory. In Java, everything happens within class, and it describes set of objects within with common behavior. With common behavior, okay. See, full stop. Note down this behavior. Next para. The class definition, the class definition describes all the properties behavior and identity of objects of objects present within that class. Present within that class. So next one, so just scroll up. So what we have written in the desktop. What is the characteristics of object oriented program? First of all, we mentioned class. Class is the central point of OOPS. OOPS means, full form of OOPS is object oriented programming system, and that contains data and method. In Java, everything happens within class and it describes a set of objects with common behavior. The class definition describes all the properties, behavior and identity of objects present within that class. Okay guys, then second one, object. Second one is object. So what is object? Objects are the basic unit of object orientation So objects are the basic unit of object orientation, okay, with behavior. Object orientation. Objects are the basic unit of object orientation with behavior identity. An object is expressed. Objects are the basic unit of object orientation with behavior identity. Behavior identity. An object an object is expressed by the variables object is expressed by the variables and methods object is expressed by the variables and methods within that object. So the third point is, have to keep in mind, first of all class, then object, then methods. Methods are the procedure through which we can solve a work. Methods are the procedure through which we can solve a work. In Java, a determine the messages. That can receive by an object. The fundamental parts of a method are the name. Fundamental parts of a method are the name, the arguments, the return type, and the body. A method can be called only for an object. A method can be called only for an object, and that object and that object must be able to perform the method call. Perform the method call. Methods are the procedure through which we can solve a work. In Java, I determine the messages that can be received by an object. The fundamental parts of a method are the name, the arguments, the return type, and the body. A method can be called only for an object, and that object must be able to perform that method call. The fourth one is abstraction. Fourth one is abstraction. Abstraction is the process of hiding the details and exposing only the essential features exposing the essential features. Abstraction is the process of hiding the details and exposing only the essential features of a particular concept or object. Classes use the concept of abstraction and are defined Classes use the concept of abstraction and are defined as a list of abstract attributes. Defined as a list of abstract attributes. Such as size, weight, and cost, and methods, that operate on their attributes. They encapsulate they encapsulate all the essential properties of the objects that are to be created. Fifth one is encapsulation. Encapsulation. It is the ability of an object to be a container. It is the ability of an object to be a container. It is the ability of an object to be a container for related properties and methods. For related properties and methods. It is one of the three fundamental principles within OOPS. Full form is object oriented programming. Now the sixth one, polymorphism. It is the capability of an action or method to do different things. It is the capability of an action or method to do different things based on the object that is acting upon. This is the third basic principle of OOPS. This is the third basic principle of OOPS. Seventh one, inheritance. 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 It is the capability of a class to use the properties and methods of another class while adding its own functionality. It supports the concept of hierarchical classifications. In OOPS, these concepts provide the idea of reusability. That means we can add additional features to an existing class without modifying it. So, what is inheritance? It is the capability of class to use the properties and methods of another class while adding its own functionality. It supports the concept of hierarchical classifications. In OOPS, object-oriented programming system, these concepts provide the idea of reusability. That means we can add additional features to an existing class without modifying it. So first of all, grandparent. In life science, in class 8th grade, we had learned in all of our lives that the chapter heredity. Heredity means in the past time my grandparent had lived. Then comes parent and then comes me. That is I am the child of my parents. So here comes the hierarchical order, means the heredity. So in my past, grandparent may live in 1970s. Now it's 2018. So then my parents born in this world. Then in 1986 I came. So that the hierarchical order is maintained. It is inheritance. That is inheritance, and by this means inheritance what is discovered. Grandparent, first of all comes grandparent, then parent, then child. So this is the hierarchical order. Means first comes grandparent, then comes grandparent gave birth parents, then parent gave birth to child. This is the hierarchical order maintained. Okay, hierarchy means inheritance. This is known as hierarchy. Hierarchy means inheritance. So a hierarchical order is maintained. In 1960s or 50s, grandparents may had born, then they gave birth to my parents, then my parents gave birth to me. That is, I am a child of my parent. So this is the hierarchical order is maintained. So hierarchy means inheritance. So from them the word is discovered. Grandparent, then parent, then child. Hierarchy means inheritance. Okay. Now moving on to this topic. Now we have to move on Jcreator software. Jcreator Pro software. Okay. Please note down this. So I close this Word file. We want to save the changes document. Oh, it is already saved. Okay. Now I open the Jcreator Pro software. Close this pop-up menu. I can click on File, New, File, okay. EX /EX. So file name EX, location C drive, click on Finish. Automatically create ex.java. Okay. So first line is import Java. Import Java dot import Java dot shit. Again the machine hangs. Shit, guys, all that gone wrong to this machine. This story is troubling again. Yeah. Import Java. Here see the cursor. Click the cursor. Import Java dot. Yeah. Dot IO. That is input output. Okay. IO. Okay. Input output dot star mark. Enter. Okay. Semicolon. Finish with semicolon. Next line. Class EX. Class EX. Class EX. Second bracket. Public static void main. Public static void main. Public static void main. String arg. string string third bracket close, second bracket try, second bracket try, again second bracket enter, 7. Data input stream, data D capital, data input stream I capital, data input stream, DIN, new data input stream, data input stream, first bracket system, system dot in, system dot in is input stream, it means input stream, okay, semicolon, okay. Then enter, system dot out dot print, enter first number, enter first number, enter first number, first number, then string A, here string A equals to din dot read line, read line, first bracket close, semicolon, then system dot out, system dot out dot system dot out dot print, out dot print, out dot print, enter second number, enter second number, enter second number, string B, string B equals to din dot read line, yes comes read line, din dot read line, enter string with din dot int integer m equals to integer integer dot p comes by default parse int, ParseInt is a string name. Integer dot parseInt a. Integer n parseInt b. Enter float c. Float c. C is equal to m divided by n semicolon. Okay. System dot out println dot println the division. Division so there c plus c. Okay, so then enter catch exception e, exception e. So this is the whole program. Okay. See, compile file. So two mistakes. Description catch without try in line number 16. I haven't keep try. 6. Yeah. Catch without try. Catch without try. One, two, three. Second bracket. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Can click on compile file and catch without try. Shit, what had gone wrong? Expected. So today we have ended up with this. My desktop is trembling. We'll discuss about this class Java on the next session of my class. If you like this tutorial video, please drop a like, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Okay, goodbye guys, have a nice day. All of you have a nice day. Goodbye.